Hey guys, welcome to MadTech. Today we'll be learning how to enter a code on Temu, and now let's dive right in. Now to enter a code on Temu, first open up your Temu app on your phone. And after opening your Temu app guys, on this interface at the bottom of the screen, you can see the U button available for us just beside the categories. Tap on the U button at the bottom middle section of the screen, and you land on this interface where you can see the coupons and offers option available for us. Just above the credit balance, tap on coupons and offers, and when you land over here guys, you can see at the top of the screen here it says the enter coupon code box over here. Now to enter a code on Temu, you'll be required to enter your coupon code over here, and after entering your code guys, at the right side of that box you can see the apply button available for us. Tap on the apply button and your code will be entered and redeemed and added to your Temu account. And with that being said guys, this is how you will be able to enter a code on Temu. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.